to pray for the former president, Uhuru Kenyatta. Recently came out and he said, we don't know if it's part of it, but people are saying that he said he's also having cancer. So we have been praying for him. We saw it even before he came out to speak. Those who have been following me, you know that I've been speaking and praying for him. 1 week ago, I saw him. He came to this church. But the moment he arrived here at this spot, he knelt down. He was trying to pray, but he could not pray well. You know, we've been hiding names, but if they can come out and confess so we can speak names, okay? Yeah, so I saw him kneeling here, and he tried to pray, but he didn't have the strength, so he collapsed. When he collapsed, I came quickly in, and I inquired of him, can I pray for you, please? And he said, please go ahead. So when I started praying for him, that vision ended. That is an indication that we need to continue to pray for him. We're going to make efforts of reaching him. We see if we can pray for him, not for anything like maybe want to gain. No. We have been praying for him. Those who know me, it's not about material things. Hallelujah. Yes, you'll be surprised that when I go to pray for him, even his offering I might not take. Hallelujah. Because men of God, you have to be careful. If you take an offering from somebody who's suffering such sickness, the cancer, you are likely to bring it on yourself or your family. Hallelujah. So it's just a request. If this message will reach him, we want to pray for him as a church. We've been praying for him. From 2 years ago, I think you've been praying for him. You remember, if you go to check my prophecies of 2023, on 1st of January 2023, we gave a prophecy about the former president. And we started to pray for him from 2023 because God had already shown us what is going to happen. He is the same person I've been saying that God has given him bonus. Now he needs to resign from politics. He needs to go and rest because he's now operating on bonus. If he can get out of politics and relax, maybe God is going to give him another chance. He might just stay for years again. Hallelujah. So we are asking him to rest now. And if this video is going to reach him, as a church, we've been praying for him. And we want to continue to pray for him. Hallelujah. Because God has preserved him. I like him. He's a man who speaks the truth. He has confessed. And now it is time for us as a church. The only duty we have is to pray for him. For long life. Hallelujah.